So a little bit before 1 o'clock this morning, I noticed a big bright light. It turned out to be a transformer going. Tried to go back to sleep. I had my window open right here on the corner, and I heard some of the firefighters talking. About then is when I realized, hey, there's something going on over here at the church. Came out and saw the whole church roof off. Came over here around the corner to Joy's house and saw all this, and then started getting other reports of damage. So this morning we're just going out to check everything out. We have a warehouse, part of their roof came off.
About 12:30 this morning, I felt what sounded, they always say like a freight train when you hear a tornado, and that's exactly what I heard. It was very scary, and my whole house was shaking, and then I heard a loud sound, and my son was downstairs, I was upstairs. We met at the steps, at the top of the steps, and then we tried to start checking around to see what had happened, and then we saw the tree, of course, that came down. My father lives next door, and so we started to investigate outside, but it was, I just have to say, it was very scary. If it wasn't a tornado, I'd be very surprised, because everything I've ever heard about that is what we experienced. And the fact that the tree is laying on the power lines was the biggest concern, but I believe we got away actually we're pretty blessed. You know, maybe some minor spouting damage. We just got a new roof, but I think that seems intact. Maybe a little bit to put the electrical box back up, but we still have power, so I think we got away pretty good actually, in spite of everything.